going to make dark green, and a quick and easy way using the primary colour and an unusual way. So you want to make a nice mid green. Small amount of yellow and ultramarine blue already make a very nice dark green. You don't use too much yellow. If you want that darker, you can use a very tiny amount of red, and that makes it a much darker colour. It does change the colour of it slightly. Another way to do that would be to use the yellow and the blue. Make a nice mid colour. And then you can darken it down using purple. That's better. It's a nice dark green. Another way to make it is to do your blue, your yellow to make your mid green. Some people like to add a tiny bit of black